Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Hux World, and today we got VL watch faces in the building. Now this guy is definitely bringing the noise. We got a nice digital watch face slash analog for you guys to check out. Now my man, he's been around for quite some time. He always brings the noise when it comes to unique analog and or digital watch faces. Now the name of this one is called VL Hybrid. Definitely a nice look for everyday wear, whether it be the work week and or whether it be the weekend, depending on what it is you're going to be wearing for that day. Now let's take a closer look at it. First of all, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. I like how it's blacked out. I like how everything about the information is legible. And when the watch face is on, you get a traditional analog look. It's kind of sporty too as well. Now up at the top, you will get your digital time. I like the fun hands on this analog watch face, and you will get your date if you look over to the right, and over to your left, you're going to get a nice moon phase as well. Down at the bottom, this is where all your step status is going to be, from floors climbed to miles walked or ran, calories burned, and floors climbed. Now, this is a customizable watch face, which means that you have shortcuts within this watch face. Now, if you want to know where everything is, and I like that developers are doing this, they're giving us a menu to find out exactly where everything is when we don't remember, right? So this is nice. Single tap and you come right out of it. Now, if I go ahead and I double tap on the time, I can customize the color theme of the watch face. Very nice. That was a retro look, and you can cycle through the many different colors that you would like to have for your watch face, depending on what you want for that day, what color. Then you can go ahead and tweak it. If I double tap in the middle, look at this. I like the animation that's going around the watch face, and at the same time I can go in the middle and I can change the bar. Just double tap and you can pull up a different thing within this watch face, which is nice. This is not a bad look at all. What do you think thus far? All right, but we're not done yet. Now, if I want to get my step status info, single tap, and I'm here, give me my information on my steps. Now, this is the Gears 3 with the update, and I'm still doing fine with this one. Loving it. Loving it, right? All right, I'm not done yet. If I double tap over here on the side, I can change the theme of the watch face around the bezel of the watch, which isn't bad at all. You get so many different ones in all. Just double tap until you get to the theme that you would like for your watch face to have, right? Not bad. Not bad at all. And I'm going to double tap over here, and I can change the color theme where you get VL series, hybrid at the bottom. You can change the color of those as well. Again, you have a few different colors in all, and I thought it was a good look for a watch face. But you also get settings that you can tap into, and you have a shortcut that you can set for this watch face as well. All in all, I thought VL did a great job on this watch face. At the end of the day, people, it is always all about you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.